What's the meaning of CPU? CPU. CPU.
CPU. CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, and it refers to the main processing chip in a computer or other electronic device. The CPU performs the majority of the calculations and instructions necessary for the computer to function, including performing arithmetic and logical operations, managing input-output operations, and controlling other hardware components. Essentially, the CPU acts as the brain of the computer, handling all of the complex tasks required for it to operate efficiently. Without a CPU, a computer would not be able to perform any meaningful functions beyond basic input-output operations.